All right, Brody Williams out here, Craftsman Restoration, just doing a simple repair for Doris V. All right. See. All right, so you can see we removed one, replaced this one here. I mean, you can clearly see not only in the three shingles that were above it, but also it looks like additionally another 3 tabs above that. So I mean, we've got 6 tabs damaged from replacing the 3. I don't know exactly how many shingles. Looks like there's 3 additional shingles that were damaged just repairing this one shingle. So I mean, obviously for the new shingle there, got quite a few more now damaged tabs. So I personally do not consider this to be repairable. I mean, based on the age, the condition, the fact that, you know, pulling these out, you can see they're all busted up, breaking. I mean, this is not really a repairable roof.